Jeff here from the Griddle, guys. This is Rosie, my happy, healthy boxer, and Charlie's somewhere else, my other boxer. Anyways, we're going to be doing Baby Bok Choy today, and I really like it. It's a good flavor. This is a pretty simple recipe. It's going to just be Baby Bok Choy. You can usually find it in the market. This is labeled as Shanghai Tips, which is like a Baby Bok Choy that's supposedly a little sweeter. Doesn't have as much of like a mineral taste. But anyways, so the Baby Bok Choy, we're going to slice that up coarsely. We got some soy sauce, some sesame oil, and this is some chili paste, ginger and garlic. We're going to saute the garlic and ginger first with a little bit of sesame oil on the griddle. Once that starts to cook the garlic a little bit, we're going to throw down the bok choy with the chili paste and the soy sauce. Saute it just for a couple minutes, and then once it starts to wilt a little bit, you take it off and you drizzle it again with a little bit of sesame oil just to add to that flavor, and it's really, really good. Ends up being some tender, sweet, savory bok choy. With that, we're just going to have some marinated chicken. We just got an herb marinade on that, chicken breast. Pretty simple there too. But I'll take this down to the griddle after I chop up this bok choy, like I said, very coarsely, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Here's the griddle. As you can see, there's another beautiful, snowy, 30-degree. Actually, I think it's in the 20s right now, but it's supposed to get a little warmer later tonight. But anyways, we got a nice day to be cooking outside. So first thing I'm going to do is just throw the chicken on, because obviously that's going to take a little bit longer. And it's just chicken breast, so it's nothing special, but it has been marinating for at least a couple hours. Put that down. And right now I have the griddle on high heat. I just cleaned it. After I put this chicken down, I'm probably going to turn it down a little bit, maybe to a medium high. Because when we put the bok choy on, we don't want that to be too hot. Pretty much done. Probably got a couple, maybe 5 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes now. The chicken on. As I mentioned, it is definitely pretty cold out. So now we're going to start the bok choy. What we're going to do first is cook the ginger and the garlic a little bit. It's going to have that raw flavor. We're going to cook that in some sesame oil. And that's what we got right there. And I have the griddle turned all the way down on this side. So that way everything hopefully won't burn. We'll just pour some of this out. You'll be able to find that in pretty much any market. I'm not going to use all of the garlic and ginger that I cut up, probably about half, and I'll use the other half for something else later on. So we're just going to let that cook up a little bit. It's got like a nice golden color. It's very aromatic. Say it's cooked. You just don't want it to taste raw. It's going to be a little overpowering. So at this point, I'm going to throw our bok choy down right on top. The reason why I did the paper towels is because you wanted it to dry as possible, so that way everything sticks to it. We have about 2 tablespoons soy sauce right over the top. And about 2 teaspoons of the chili paste. Obviously you can cook this up a little bit, or you can put a little less if you don't like the spice. That's our puppy Charlie over there. You caught a picture of Rose earlier. This is our spicy bok choy. Gonna give it a try, see how it looks. I think it smells incredible. I think it looks incredible. Let's see how it tastes. Let's try that. Pretty good. It's actually really good. Nice. It's still crisp, so it's still got a little bit of a crunch to it when you bite into it. Definitely spicy. So I went strong on the chili paste. It's actually a really good flavor. If you like bok choy, I think you'll enjoy this. If you've never tried it, it's worth trying it out at least once. I definitely give it a thumbs up. It was really good. Chicken came out great too. Griddle's great for that. It looks good, tastes good. Everything's great. Definitely spicy, but it's good. So definitely like, subscribe, feel free to comment, and I'll see you in the next video.